My name is Pushpinder Singh Garcha, and I am the owner and CEO of Golden Tech Systems. So Golden Tech is a systems integrator firm. We focus on solving complex problems in the cloud and cyber domains, and we proudly support the warfighter's mission through our contracts with the Air Force and the Navy. So COVID was a very interesting time, and more so than ever because we had just started on our first contract with the Air Force at Hill Air Force Base in Utah. I was planning to head over there and meet with the program office and my customer, but there was so much uncertainty with COVID, and then finally in March they decided to lock it down and say everyone switches to remote work. No one had imagined that this is going to last into 2020, well into 21. But what COVID did was put the brakes on expanding your business because companies were uncertain about the future. So, being in the program, being able to, continue working on a government contract was tremendously helpful to us.
The SBA is proud to have been a part of Pushpinder's success story throughout, getting him into the 8A program, having him as part of the Emerging Leaders Management Program, and finally, most recently, getting PPP loans and EIDL loans for him to be even more resilient as we weather the pandemic.
The SBA was very instrumental in getting this contract because the 8A program allows small businesses, again, economically and ethnically disadvantaged business groups to be able to market their capabilities to agencies, whether DoD or civilian, and find out if there's a scope of work that they can go after and then win that scope of work via a sole source contract, which means you're the only person who competes for that award and there's no justification required on behalf of the government. So as long as the company can provide justification that it's a low risk solution for the government and they will be capable and competent to delivering to the mission criteria, I strongly feel that had it not been for the 8A award that we won with the Air Force, we would be in a different position just because commercial spending shrunk considerably during COVID. So if it hadn't been for the Air Force contract, we would be in a very different situation. So I'm thankful that we had that program, we had the certification. As we emerge from COVID with resiliency, we can actually take on more work. Going to those small businesses is one thing, but actually helping those small businesses succeed, that is what takes you to the next level, and SBA is responsible for this setup. So kudos to the SBA and all that they do, whether it's the PPP loan, the EIDL loan, or training programs. I strongly feel that a lot of people do not know what the SBA does, the capabilities that it has, and how much it can do to help small businesses succeed.